Battle ropes are a versatile and dynamic piece of exercise equipment that has gained popularity in recent years. They consist of long, heavy ropes that you anchor at one end while holding the other. When you move the ropes in various patterns and intensities, you create waves, which are the core of the workout. Sticking to heavy ropes provides a full-body workout that can help you achieve your fitness goals faster than you might think. But what exactly happens to your body if you commit to doing battle ropes for just 5 minutes every day? Well, you're about to find out in this video as we dive deep into the incredible benefits of incorporating just 5 minutes of battle ropes into your daily routine. Before we begin, if you're new here, please subscribe to our channel to receive more fitness workout tips regularly. So, now let's begin. Number 1. Improved cardiovascular health. First and foremost, your heart will thank you. Battle ropes are excellent for increasing your heart rate, improving blood circulation, and enhancing your cardiovascular endurance. This can help lower your risk of heart disease and improve overall heart health. Number 2. Full body muscle engagement. When you work with battle ropes, you engage a wide range of muscles, including your shoulders, arms, core, and legs. These ropes are like a symphony for your muscles, ensuring no muscle group is left behind. Number 3. Increased metabolism and fat loss. Battle ropes can be your secret weapon in the battle against unwanted fat. Those intense waves and slams torch calories and boost your metabolism, making it easier to shed those extra pounds. Number 4. Enhanced endurance and stamina. With consistent daily practice, you'll notice your endurance and stamina levels skyrocket. This not only improves your athletic performance, but also makes everyday tasks feel easier. Number 5. Stress reduction and mental clarity. Exercise in general is known to reduce stress, but battle ropes, with their rhythmic movements, can be especially calming. Regular sessions can help clear your mind, reduce anxiety, and boost your overall mental well-being. Number 6. Better posture and core strength. Battle ropes require you to engage your core muscles to maintain proper form. Over time, this can lead to better posture, reduced back pain, and a stronger, more stable core. Number 7. Increased grip strength. Don't underestimate the importance of grip strength. It's not just about a firm handshake. It can improve your performance in various activities and reduce the risk of hand-related injuries. Now that we've covered the amazing benefits of battle ropes, let's talk about how you can get started with this workout routine. To begin, you'll need a set of battle ropes and some space. Make sure to anchor the ropes securely, whether it's around a pole or using a battle rope anchor. Ensure there's enough clearance around you to avoid hitting objects or walls during your workout. Start with the basics. The two most common exercises are the alternating wave and the double wave. The alternating wave involves creating waves with one arm at a time, while the double wave involves both arms moving in sync. These exercises form the foundation of your battle rope routine. As you get comfortable with the basics, you can gradually incorporate more complex movements and variations to keep challenging your body. Remember, consistency is key, so aim to dedicate at least 5 minutes every day to your battle rope routine. There you have it, the incredible benefits of dedicating just 5 minutes of your day to battle ropes. It's a quick and efficient way to boost your physical and mental health. If you've tried battle ropes or have questions, please share your experiences and thoughts in the comments section below. If you found this video informative, don't forget to share it with your friends and family, like and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the notification bell for more impactful videos like this. Make sure to check out our other videos on the channel. The links are on the screen right now. Until next time, stay safe and awesome. Thanks for watching.